Be careful with our BimmerTech dash cams. They capture everything.
Bruh.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. We've talked a bunch about our new dash cam in our F30, but we want to let you know that we have them available for even more BMWs. Today, an F10.
This plug-and-play dash cam fits perfectly behind the rear view mirror, allowing this F10 M5 to have a discreet 4K dash cam always running when you need it most. With the included 128GB SD card and optional rear dash cam, you won't miss anything, regardless if you're driving at night, in the rain, during sunset or sunrise, or even parked.
There are two ways to install this dash cam. One is simply tapping into the rain sensor power located behind the rearview mirror, or running the cabling all the way to the back of the vehicle, tapping into the fuse panel. Since most vehicles have that rain sensor, we're going to be focusing on that method.
If you want to get a better idea on the fuse box method, you can check out our F30 video linked in the description. While the vehicle is different, the principle is the same. Remove some trim, run some cabling, and tap into a fuse. Keep in mind you will get a detailed set of PDF instructions with your order specific to your vehicle.
Installation of the optional rear dash cam is easy as well, and you're going to run the cabling just as if you were running the cabling to the power at the rear fuse panel. But without further ado, Jarrett is going to show you how to install this front dash cam on this F10. Jarrett, take it away.
Before disconnecting anything electronic, it's always best to disconnect your battery. Start by opening the trunk and lift up the trunk panel like so. Remove the two 10mm nuts. Finally, remove the panel. With the 10mm socket, remove the negative battery terminal and set it aside. You might want to tie a towel around the trunk latch to keep it from accidentally closing and locking you out. Back in the car, let's get rid of this old thing. Now for the installation. Start by using a BimmerTech trim tool to separate and remove the housing here like so. With the aid of a pick tool, remove this connector here, and then plug that into the BimmerTech plug-and-play harness. Plug the other half into where you just removed the factory connector from. Grab the BimmerTech dash cam and use a BimmerTech trim tool or pick tool to separate the two sections of the housing like so. For this installation, we will not be installing the rear camera, so Jarrett opted to remove the rear camera harness, which has the black connector. If you would like to learn how to install the rear camera, check out the installation video on our F30, which follows the same principles. Grab the half of the housing with the camera in it and slide it into place like so. Plug it in and tuck the cables inside the housing like so. Finally, snap the second half of the housing in place and you're done with the installation. Reconnect your negative battery terminal and untie the towel from your trunk latch if you used one.
That's it. That's all there is to it. Again, for all the specs on this camera and some more example clips, go check out our last video on the F30. But just to give you a quick idea on what to expect, here are some example clips from Jose's F10. Want this for your BMW? Head on over to our website and enter your VIN to get the compatible kit for your ride. Have any more questions about this product? Reach out to our sales team via chat on our website or by calling. Already have the product and have any questions about the install or anything like that? Reach out to our support team with your order number and they will be eager to assist. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, Supers, and now Teslas, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Head on over to our website and sign up for our newsletter. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.